Welcome to today's session, and today we will talk about while loops, a block of code that will run as long as the condition is met. So here, as we can see, I've created an integer num equals 100, so the value is 100, and while num less than 1000, the condition is met, it will run this block of code. It will add 155 to our num integer and then print it out as long as the value of num is less than 1000. When we run it, as you can see, 100 plus 155, 255, then it added 155 all the way to 1030, right? Then num was greater, num 1030 was greater than 1000, so it did not execute this block of code and it just went past it. And then, as you can see, I have written this print statement where it says now I'm out of the loop, right? So it printed that. Another thing is, if we do this, num equals 1000, it will not execute the statement because the condition is not met, right? 100 is not equals to 1000, so it will not execute. And if we do greater than 1000, it will not execute either because the condition is not met, right? It won't only execute this block of code when the condition is met. So here the number is less than 1000, so it will execute this block of code. And if we make this 1000, and then now we check it, if number equals, while num equals 1000, it will execute, and it will, right? So 1000 plus 155 is 1155, right? So it executed. Thanks for watching.